Hey everybody, this is me posting another deal of the day kind of video, or in this case, deal of the week. I'm posting this for a couple of reasons. I figured a lot of people might want to know about the deal, and also because my brother Sean Brooks out there asked about this not too long ago, and I really like the Autel Evo drone. So if you're into that, you might want to check this out also. But again, I'm also posting this for Sean Brooks. Shout out to Sean. Go over and check out his channel, Sean Brooks. Search on YouTube for Sean Brooks and take you right to his page. He's got some great videos, especially on some solo drones. Anyway, this is made by Autel. It's the Autel Evo. It's a great drone. It's a little pricey. It's not going to be as cheap as a Spark. But at the same time, it doesn't, you're not going to get a 4K camera or a built-in display into your controller with a Spark. So, sort of, you get what you pay for. But in this deal, you get a little more than you pay for, which is why I'm posting this. The Autel Evo, normally priced at about $1,000, $999.99. But this week they got a deal going on where you get the Autel Evo on the go bundle and a couple other items. They're saying it's a $367.98 value, which it actually is. What you get with this deal this week, the extras that are included is right here. The on-the-go bundle, it's $219 value in itself. It comes with a soft carrying case, 2 extra batteries, and some extra props. Okay, well, that's only part of the deal. On top of that, you're getting an SD card, which, okay, no big deal, and what they're claiming that's worth is a little over the top, but either way, it's still a free SD card. But here's the other part of it that really makes this decent. Not only do you get the on-the-go bundle bag and batteries, which is valued at $219, you get a $100 Best Buy gift card. Maybe you could use that to give to the little woman, and hopefully she won't be too upset with you for buying the drone to begin with. But anyway, if that's not a problem, you just buy you some more toys with it later. But yeah, I mean, that essentially brings the cost of this drone down to $900 if you consider you're getting a $100 Best Buy gift card. And with the 2 extra batteries and the case, a carrying case, for $900, you can't beat that. I've told a few other people about this deal in the past because it only pops up once every couple of months or so. And a couple of people have taken advantage of it. But anyway, there's also another deal in reference to the Evo, which I would probably go for because I consider it a better buy, which is their, let's get to it here. I just saw it a minute ago. Yeah, upgrade for $200. I think they called it the rugged bundle. Now, this deal also includes the same extra carrying case and batteries and everything, but This bundle comes with 2 extra batteries already, plus this killer case. This carrying case, it's a hard case. I would love to have one of these. I didn't get one with mine when I purchased it, but I would love to have it. And just to buy the case alone, I think it's like $120 or something. Then you add in the cost of the 2 extra batteries that are included with this at $85 a piece. That's what, $160, $170 with the batteries plus the case. You're looking at like a $300 difference over the cost of the regular Evo, and you get this nice case and the extra batteries. On top of that deal, you're getting, as I was saying in the previous deal, 2 more batteries, plus a soft carrying case and some extra props. So in total, you're getting 500. You're getting 5 batteries and 2 carrying cases, extra props, blah, 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 $100 Best Buy gift card, and that's priced at $1,200. But for 5 batteries, the batteries alone, you got 5 batteries, $80 a piece. There's $400 worth of batteries right there alone. Then you get the drone, the carrying cases. It's a damn good deal. Let me see if they can scroll any of these pictures. Yeah, in the bottom of this rugged bundle carrying case, you got room for an iPad or whatever kind of tablet or whatever you want to put down there. Like I say, I'd love to have a steel, but I already got mine, and I'm not going to be able to get that carrying case. But I figured somebody else might benefit from this, which is why I'm posting this. And also for Sean, because he was asking about the this Autel Evo not too long ago. But you're not going to find a better deal on this drone. I totally recommend the Autel Evo. It's a great drone, great range, 4K 60 camera, built-in display in the remote controller. Of course, you can use your phone on top of it as an external display or a tablet or whatever you want to use. But I have no issues with the Autel Evo. I'm not a DJI fanboy, even though I do like their products also, but I fly Parrot, DJI, Autel. I'm not going to limit myself to one particular brand. But anyway, check out the reviews on this. People are very happy with it. So at least 4.5 stars for the regular deal. Of course, you can also search YouTube for it and see what other people had to say about it in their reviews. But that's going to do it. That's my deal of the day, deal of the week. It's available at Best Buy. Again, I'm not affiliated with Best Buy. Best Buy is not going to pay me a nickel for this endorsement. I'm not doing it for Best Buy. I'm doing it for you, for my subscribers or whatnot to check out my channel. So, hey man, you looking for a drone? I highly recommend it. Go out and check it out, man. And happy and safe flying, man. Catch you later.